Infinite Aloha. Yeah, the channel on fire. Infinite Aloha. Sparkific, we getting higher. Infinite Aloha, yeah, the channel on fire. Bringing heat, Sparkific, we getting higher. Ripping packs of Pokemon till the sun retire. Infinite Aloha, tap in, don't hate. Like and subscribe, no need to be fake. Live stream nights, yeah, the vibes stay great. Collection Mafia, we only elevate. Brick by brick, like Nigel with the force. Concrete dreams now with marble floors. Alaska ones with the Virgil sauce. Ghost white stepping, Mr. Ablo open doors. Air Max 95,000s go dumb. Union Stitch where the fragments come. Undefeated force, yeah, the war's been won. DB17 when the lights go numb. In the dark when the souls ignite. Jump and perform better at night. Composite galaxy stay out to sight. Stranger things glow, even back like campfightings. Infinite Aloha. Yeah, the channel on fire. Infinite Aloha, yeah. Infinite Aloha. Yeah, the channel on fire.
What's up, everybody? It's me, Pew Pew. Good to see y'all. Today, we have a special unboxing. I hit these on EQL for my boy Joe. Gotta help out the Mafia. SB Mafia. You already know. But yeah, let's get to this unboxing. So, these are a numbered pair. From Undefeated. Now, you probably already know what it is, just from me saying Undefeated. Let's see here. Ooh. Hells yeah. Converses. Ooh, look at that box. That's dope. Cool box. Let's see here. All right, first look. Damn, leather. Oh, then, oh, wow. Damn, you can smell the leather. That's nice. Dang, check these out. Wow. The detail on this. The leather. It smells so good too. Legit. Oh man, what a nice shoe. Y'all gotta see this in hand. The divots and everything, this alligator skin, the texture of the alligator. Obviously it's just regular leather, right? I mean, beautiful. Look at that. Dang. Congrats, Joe. Stoked for you, brother. Gee. All right, let's see what number we got here. Oh, a low number. Damn, under 1,000. That's cool. I've been seeing everybody getting 1,000 or above. We got under. We got 685. 685 out of 1947. Wow. I've never seen one below 1,000. Let's check out the other one. Damn, these are beautiful. Joe, I know you're gonna love these. The leather on these. I don't know if y'all can see the quality. It's like alligator skin or something, huh? That is cool. The embroidery, stitching, super clean. Dang. Oh, that's so sick. I love how that looks. The gloss on this, beautiful. I'm not even a Brooklyn fan, but the shoe is dope for sure. Let's see here. Oh, it doesn't have the numbering on the other one. Check it. Brooklyn Dodgers. These do. This one has it. That's cool. Dang. All right, I'll get these shipped off to you, Joe, tomorrow morning. One more unboxing. My buddy, Nate, stood in line in Philly and got me the Piggies. I call them the watermelons because they look like watermelons to me, but Look at this. Oh, it's so dope. Finally got my piggies. Ooh, the 3M on that pink right there reflects. Beautiful. What a great shoe. I can't wait to rock these. And look at all the extras it comes with. Some sweatbands for your wrists, so I can sweat like a pig. A little doll. Card, another sweatband, stickers. The box is Amazeballs Unicorn Titties 10,000. Such a dope shoe. Ah, love it. I'll probably put those pink laces in there to rile up all the homophobes. Sickness. Well, can't see the shine. What does that say on the bottom? Real fur, dyed cow fur, animal cow, fur, country of origin, China. Cool. Awesome. Damn, the quality on these are so soft. Oh, the interior is very cushiony. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. This is a beautiful shoe. Highly recommend getting yourself a pair of piggies. The orange ones are the ones that are actually numbered and are the most limited. But to me, this colorway is my favorite. I would actually wear these a bunch. These are sick. Anything on the bottom? Damn, look at that. It's so cool, the pattern. Yeah, these are dope. So that's 2 shoes and a quick little sneak peek at my custom hoodie I'm designing. It's got the embroidered Infinite Aloha. It's got the black. Oh yeah, I also got like a little custom, my little zombie king, the royal zombie. Check out the back. Pretty dope. Infinite Aloha. And then it has the on top. Love it. Good to see y'all. Hope y'all enjoy the little unboxing. Infinite Aloha as always. Gee.
Yeah, that's right. Where do I begin? What can I say? Pot every day keeps my ADHD at bay. Video games I love to play. Live by the bay, hard beside delivery. Gotta get my wax on, wax off. Strawberry coffee and cherry AK. Wanna let it go when I spit, I spray. Everywhere I go, I don't portray. What's inside, hide it away. Make sure, cause enemies don't play.